We are at the Cape Fear Botanical Garden in Fayetteville this morning for the Pondemania event. I have lovely origami going on here, and I am no expert, but some of the people that have visited today were. I had a lovely friend, Bella, made me this beautiful three-headed hydra that I have absolutely no idea how to make. So here it is, and it's adorable. But I'm not making that for you today. Today, I'm making you a swan because swans are what I got obsessed with when I was in 3rd grade, and I can make it from heart. So, nice square origami paper.
I knew it was gonna happen.
We're going to start by going in half as a diamond here. You want to make sure your corners line up very well, because if your corners don't line up, your swan head will look ridiculous. Unfold. And we're going to take that bottom to the middle line. And this part is going to be your head. So you want to make sure that you make it nice and clean edge. Same thing on this side. All the way to the middle. Flip it over. And if you have two-sided origami paper, it'll make a color contrast. But we are not that fancy today. We're going to fold to the middle one more time. And we're going to fold to the middle, make a match. We're going to fold for our neck. Some things will tell you to go all the way to the tail, but if you go all the way to the tail, your swan comes out drunk and falls over. So don't go all the way to the tail. It makes it too head heavy. Little fold here for our head. And we pick it up and we do a half fold. These are not technical origami terms, by the way. All these folds have real names, and I'm just not that cool. Pick our neck up. Up, and we have a swan, and she stands up because